Today we are headed up to UNFR Uniform World, pop-up shop at DBar. We gotta go support the homies, you know what I'm saying, the people that we started with. So here we go to Third Ward. It's gonna be a great day. Show y'all some of Houston's top fashion. It's gonna be the top fashion designer in Houston. And show we icy out here, waves on point. Gotta get the fresh chop. Not only the top fashion designer, but also the top fashion styler. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna show everybody, let everybody introduce themselves. Like I said, man, y'all follow Uniform World, that's UNFRM.co, and The Styled Mail on Instagram. Y'all go check him out. Personal wardrobe consultant and professional stylist. Y'all go check him out. Today we're gonna go see what he got to offer. Also, y'all go check out if you're in the Houston area, or if you're traveling to Houston or plan to or whatever, one of the top scenes in the whole city is gonna be DBar. So y'all make sure y'all go check that out too. I'm pretty sure y'all know, or heard at least, Texas is wide open. There ain't no masks, no nothing. Everything's open 100 capacity. So we riding through downtown Houston, and man, it's traffic. You can see I'm going like 6 miles per hour on the freeway. As we slide through downtown Houston, trying to get to DBar and go to Metro. Yeah, we passing through downtown right now, stuck in traffic. Before I forget, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe down below, right here. Don't mind my finger, but subscribe. Help me feed myself. You feel me? Trying to do these videos take a long time, a lot of effort to edit. So go ahead and subscribe. Help your boy out. Maybe one of these days when I get some ads on this YouTube channel, y'all watch one so I can get paid. Appreciate it. So we finally got here after waiting in all this traffic, but shoot, I got the boy Donnie P out here. We about to show y'all what Big Belly Catering does.
On down, we at Big Belly Catering. Alright, go catch us at DBar.
DBar?
Sunday through Sunday. Got my brother back here with straight hands. He on the fence. You know what I'm saying? We got jerk wings.
Jerk wings?
You know what I'm saying? It's
I
a Big Belly affair. If you got a regular belly, you're not here. You understand me? This is how we doing it at Big Belly. Come on down.
What you got? What else you got on the menu? Let me see what the menu look like.
Come on over here. Come on over here. We got jerk wings. Got 2 sides. Steak with 2 sides. Steak and lobster. Ham chop and lobster. Got salmon, grilled chicken, lobster tail, snow crab. Come on down. You see the sides. Got everything you need.
That's my boy Donnie B right here.
Yeah.
Been doing it for a long time. Man, can I see some of the food?
Take it back here.
Man, this is what you get when you come up to DBar, you know what I'm saying? You get clothes, food, music.
Take it back here to the site.
Look at that.
That's where the real work is.
Tell me that don't look
You
good.
can't stand that smoke.
Hey,
Make your eyes cry.
man, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all don't even know how good this smell right now.
You heard? My boy from Jamaica, we got Jamaican. You heard?
Yeah.
The real roster.
Let them
Got the
know.
boys out here, you know what I'm saying? Sam Houston, y'all introduce yourself.
What's good, y'all?
What up, bro? Louis Miller, Sam Houston alumni.
Boy Q, Sam Houston alumni.
Yeah, how it look so far?
Man, look good, bro. Look real good. It's real good.
Y'all got any uniform?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you got something in the bag?
Yeah, bro.
Let the people see what you got.
Got a shirt.
Oh yeah, see, I need to get one of those.
Got the tights.
I may wear that to the next interview. Oh, you said you got some tights?
Gotta have a workout joint in there.
Okay. You wearing that with some shorts, or you gonna wear them straight up in the gym?
That's for wifey. That's for wifey.
Okay, I was like, hold on. So what we doing? So that's bedroom. Okay, so we got the men's lingerie in the bag. Okay.
Man, no,
High definition out here. What's going down?
Video?
Yeah.
Oh, we recording now?
The drip. Oh, hold on. Let me get on Mr. Ice himself.
Please, man.
Oh, let me see the sides. Turn it to the side. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the jeans.
Thank you. That's it, man.
Let him know. That's it. Mr. Can himself. What you got?
The real
Drop a joke on us.
love
You feel
out
me?
here. Uniform.
Let me see.
clothing down. Mocha ones.
Drop it. Hold on. What? Let me see you.
Mocha ones.
Oh,
Mocha.
hold on.
Skin tone on the edge.
Yeah, get the skin tone.
That part.
You know, the color grading. Okay, look at the. Look, hey, no, hold on. Look how crispy them is. You see them parts?
Yeah.
Yeah, my man got good Belizean here. Not only that, but look at his eyes. He on occasion pasta.
More SHSU's finest.
in the building, you know what I'm saying? Young
Introduce
Jizzle,
yourself.
young Jizzle, old Jizzle now, OG.
Yeah.
You know
Hey,
what I'm saying?
hey, I know how I feel when you wake up in the morning.
Yeah,
Body
straight
parts
up.
be hurting.
Straight up. You hit that new young 35. That's how you feel when you get up in the morning.
How I look in there for Uniform World?
Hey, bro, it's lit. It's lit.
Yeah.
Y'all in here, stop by.
You got something?
DBar, for sure.
Hold on. We gonna get.
For starters, you know what I'm saying? We at the heart of the city. You know what I'm saying? In the
Woo!
place. Pop up at DBar. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? It's going down. Of course, I already got that uniform dripping.
I see you. Uniform spot. I didn't even realize that was it. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's see the whole thing. Okay.
Already, bro.
Okay.
Come, man. Look, I can't. No.
No, don't take it out, but shoot. Yeah, hey. Hey, if you want some, go ahead and get the drip. What's up, my man? What's your name?
Good, man. Rich, man. OG Rich, follow me on IG.
I feel you. Say it again.
OG Rich, man. OG 2 C's. 2 C's.
Okay, hold on. Let's get the light cleared up. You know, with the
You know,
Supreme
with the
jacket.
Supreme, man.
He know what he's talking about.
Supreme, man.
He know what he's talking about.
No Yeezys, my own.
Oh, hold on.
Go ahead and put
my
us
own
on.
brand, man.
Put them on.
Facts, cuz.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta show out my drip, man.
Let him know. Let him know.
What you
Hey.
got?
Hey, OGZ, man. Gotta keep it original, man, with the Yeezys on. Adidas shit, cuz.
Nasty.
Facts, man.
Boom.
Oh, I didn't even realize you until I got out here. Look at them.
Hey, so
What we
these
got?
are the original, dog. A
Okay.
seasonal original. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So got a lot of merch. I know you beat me. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's a lot coming soon to drop.
Hold on.
You know,
Let's zoom in on these Sachis. Look, we ain't out here with no broke. We ain't broke out here. You feel me?
Hold on.
He got the screw
Man,
back.
I only got
got the
these
screw
to
bags.
see, bro. I only got these to see my vision bag.
He got the screw backs.
And to be
You know?
man.
Oh, and Mr. Paco himself. Listen to this.
Hey, I ain't nobody.
He got the
man.
wave oil,
I ain't nobody.
the beard oil. He talking about he ain't nobody. Look at this man right here. Look at this man. Hold on.
Plain Jane, plain Jane.
What he talking about? Look at the wrist. Show him the wrist.
Plain Jane.
Show him the wrist.
Plain Jane.
That's how you know. That's how you know when you Bill Gates out here and you out here talking about, man, I just lost 2 Billy. It ain't nothing. What's your name?
Huh?
You changed your name to Billy, huh?
Billy who?
Billy.
Oh, Billy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Billy,
Yes,
Mr.
sir. Yes,
Billionaire,
sir.
Big U. You know what I'm saying? Also, Sam Houston Finance. If you're out here and you know you're a young woman and you're looking for a school to go to, this is what you got to look forward to. You know what I'm saying? Young Paco. You know what I'm saying? Icy.
Jizzle. Yeezys. They got them. There's nothing but exclusive stuff out here. You see it? You know what I'm saying? Who you seen with these? That's what I thought.
Go down. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, now, you know, Swag Discovery coming soon, man. Don't forget to follow
Swag
me, man.
Discovery.
It's coming soon, man. I want y'all to discover what's
Tell them the
going
story
on.
a little bit.
I'm gonna discover what y'all wanna know about me?
Yeah.
I was on the news last year for over $1 million.
Million.
Yes, sir.
This is Mr. Millie. This is Mr. Billy. You know what I'm saying?
Dimes and dollars, man. Y'all niggas know what it is. The latest and greatest, but not the only member.
Let them know. Swag Discovery. Hold on, show them the fit. Hey, we out here, man. We out here dripping. You know what I'm
Johnny
saying?
Dang. Y'all go see Johnny
Yeah,
Dang.
look at it. Look at it.
Y'all go see him, man.
What you do with the hair?
Oh, man, I just put a little, drip on it. You know what I'm saying? This is
Uh-huh.
my, Dennis Rodman, Swag Rodman. You know
Oh,
what I'm saying?
hey, you know that's Mr. Millie himself.
Uniform, welcome to Uniform World. Check out the merch, check out the gifts.
Yeah. One more time.
Uniform.online. Check it out.
Hey.
Hello, I'm Jackson. I'm with Ordinary Extraordinary. Follow me on Instagram, O2E.
yellow, white, red, brown. And my Chevy sit on 24. Last one like flapjack. DK, you know. I'ma play the game.
It's sold out now. Everything going fast.
Hollywood Crooks, live from full effect, and DBar at the pop-up shop for Uniform Clothing, Cap, Big Belly Catering.
Big Belly.
You know, wireless and comedy. We out here 3rd Ward, Texas.
Yeah.
Having a blast, man. I'm extremely tired.
Let's see what's going down.
What's going on?
Hey,
You know what I'm saying? For the camp?
exclusive on though.
You know what I'm saying? That's exclusive.
Nobody else got it. Nobody else got it.
Straight up.
It's only for me. It's only for me.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all get the company going. You know I'm there.
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's gonna be amazing. That's the big plans, man. We out. We gonna see y'all. We need some
Raise and waves, you feel me?
Raise and waves. All the way from the north.
No, son. Well, we in 3rd Ward right now, though. So all in all, today was a good day. You know, we came out here to support Uniform. You know what I'm saying? Uniform culture. Everybody out here seeing a whole bunch of people. It's a reunion. We got to, you know, check out Big Belly. I actually just ate it. I wish I'd have showed y'all the food, but it was good, man. So if you in Houston or you in a spot and you're just trying to get something to eat, go ahead and check out DBar, check out, you know, Big Belly, and then get you some Uniform. But other than that, we about to call it a day. I'll probably be back tonight.
All right, peace.